Welcome to Curveseries Academy. I'm Amy, and I will be your teacher today. Here you will find a series of training videos that will strengthen your abilities to navigate the Curveseries desktop software and its features. In this video, you will be introduced on how you can do technical analysis on your chart. Curveseries is created by traders for traders, and we understand that being able to do technical analysis is essential. Once you have created your chart, you hover over the legend and right-click to do your analysis. Select on your desired technical analysis tools to apply on the trends. You can right-click at the chart legend, select an analysis, and click on Bollinger Band to add, for example, the 2 standard deviation Bollinger Band. Other examples include RSI, MACD, etc. For Fibonacci retracement, you can right-click at the chart legend, select on trend lines, and click on Fibonacci retracement to draw it on the chart. Besides that, you can also make a note on the chart by double-clicking at any point within the chart. This is especially useful if you prepare a chart to distribute with your team and want to add an event or note to the changes in value. All charts are interactive to do this analysis, and you can format all the dashboards the way you prefer to see them. On behalf of all the staff at Curveseries, I would like to thank you for trusting us with your analytics needs. We will do our utmost to help you in any scenario or complex analytics you are about to explore. Did you know that Curveseries also allows you to easily share dashboards or charts between Curveseries users at your company? This way, the teams can collaborate on creating relevant analytics. If not, check out more of our tutorials here at the Curveseries Academy. We wish you all the best of luck in your future trading using Curveseries.